We'll guide you through how to unblock messages on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you went and blocked somebody messaging you. Perhaps they kept on messaging you as annoying, or you didn't want to go and hear from them anymore, so you blocked them. But now you've gone and changed your mind. Perhaps they went and spoke to you in real life, or something else has changed, and now you want to go and start getting notified for their messages and then coming through. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's full guide. So to go and get started, you want to come into the Messages app like so. So as you probably know, to go and block somebody, you tap and hold them. Then you can go to the top right and press the three dots and you go and press block. But of course you want to go and unblock. So there are different ways you can go about this as well. So make sure it's full guide, as you may have done it in a different way. So just make sure it's this whole thing so you know what you need to know. Go to the top right of Google Messages and go and find your profile icon. Of course, yours will probably look different to mine, but go and tap on it like so. This will go and open up, come down the list into more from this app, and you need to go and find spam and blocked and go and tap there. Scroll down if there are lots, and you'll need to go and find the conversation and chat you want to do this with and go and tap on it. Now at the top here, you'll go and see the option for blocked. And what you can do is go and press unblock to receive messages from this sender. And as you can see, they'll then be unblocked. Alternatively, what you may need to do is press the three dots in the top right and press block numbers. This will go and open up your phone settings and there'll be a list. And you can also go and unblock them from here if they're showing in this list. So that may be where they're showing. If you didn't just do the entire conversation, we've added their number. So there we go. That's how it can be done. Then what we can do is go and press back, get back to it, and it's now in the list, as you can see. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.